Olansi, a high-tech enterprise, 37,285 square meters production base. Focus on healthcare products developing and production. We are playing an important role in air purifiers, water purifiers, hydrogen-rich products, and other healthcare beauty care items. With ISO and BSCI approved, got certificates of UL, CE, CB, RoHS test report. 72 patents obtained praise of excellent supplier for overseas customers. Selling to Europe, USA, Japan, and Korea, Southeast Asia. Cooperate with more than 2,000 big brands around the world. Starting from market research, structure design, with our own evaluation center, 18 injection machines, semi-mechanical filter workshop, GMP dust-free product assembling lines, as a one-stop integrated production system of healthcare industrial chain. With 16 labs, Olansi providing OEM and ODM deep customization service for whole units and filters, with professional strong teams and product planning, R&D, international standard evaluation center, marketing, sales, quality control, and after-sales service. Now Olansi is one of China's top 5 OEM and ODM air purifier suppliers. We are selling to over 85 countries and areas. The annual turnover is US $60 million. We believe that you can rely on us as we provide you quite satisfactory service and products with high quality at competitive price in the world. We will always pay full attention to ensure you satisfactory service.